Let's talk about the humble treadmill walk. It's an exercise often overlooked, but one that holds immense potential for improving your overall well-being. We're going to explore why this simple activity can be a game changer for your health. It's a true secret weapon for your health and weight loss. It's a readily available tool that can be incorporated into almost anyone's daily routine, regardless of fitness level. It's not flashy, with no need for expensive equipment or specialized skills. But it's accessible, low impact, making it suitable for a wide range of individuals, from beginners to seasoned athletes looking for a recovery workout, and incredibly effective when done consistently. The key here is consistency. Short, regular sessions are far more beneficial than sporadic, intense workouts. You don't need to be drenched in sweat, pushing yourself to the absolute limit, or gasping for air to make progress. A comfortable, sustainable pace is what we're aiming for. The real transformation comes from showing up day after day and moving. It's about building a habit, a routine that becomes a natural part of your life. Every step is a small victory, a positive contribution to your health, a vote for a healthier you. Each step reinforces your commitment to well-being. For 30 minutes, you control the pace, tailoring the workout to your current fitness level and energy. The incline adding a little challenge to engage different muscle groups, and the effort. You decide how much you want to push yourself on any given day. Forget complicated routines or intimidating gyms. You don't need them. This is your personal fitness sanctuary, a space where you can focus on yourself and your health. Walking is the perfect starting point for anyone, regardless of age or physical condition, whether you're new to exercise or coming back after a break. It's a gentle way to ease back into a fitness routine. It's gentle on your joints, minimizing the risk of pain or discomfort, so you can do it regularly without risking injury. This allows you to maintain consistency and build momentum. Consistency is the key to real, lasting results. It's about making exercise a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Walking for 30 minutes 5 times a week, that's all it takes to start seeing significant improvements in your health and fitness. Beats a punishing run you can't repeat. It's better to do something consistently than to overdo it and burn out. During those 30 minutes, your heart pumps faster, improving your cardiovascular health. Your lungs work harder, increasing your lung capacity and efficiency, and your muscles call for energy, strengthening your legs, core, and even your arms as you swing them. Your body taps into its fuel stores, burning calories and boosting your metabolism, including body fat, helping you to shed unwanted pounds and improve your body composition. This isn't just a walk, it's an investment in your long-term health and well-being. It's a powerful signal to your system to get stronger and healthier, adapting to the demands you're placing on it. You don't need special skills, no complicated choreography or athletic prowess required. Just put one foot in front of the other. It's a natural movement that your body already knows how to do. This simple habit is the foundation of sustainable fitness, a building block for a healthier, more active lifestyle. Let's break down just how powerful this can be, examining the specific benefits you can expect to see from your 30-minute treadmill walk. Ready? Let's get moving. Step onto that treadmill and let's begin. Your 30-minute walk is about to change everything. Get ready to experience the transformative power of this simple yet effective exercise. Let's talk numbers. The numbers that often dominate our thoughts when we're trying to get fit. Specifically, how many calories do you actually burn in a 30-minute walk? It's a question many of us ponder as we clock in those minutes on the treadmill or around the neighborhood. The truth is, it depends on a couple of key factors: your weight and your walking speed. These two elements play a significant role in determining your calorie burn. As a general guideline, a 70-kilogram person walking at a moderate pace of 3.5 miles per hour burns about 150 calories in that half hour. Increase the intensity slightly to 4.0 miles per hour, and that number climbs closer to 175 calories. Now let's consider a heavier person, someone weighing around 90 kilograms. At those same speeds, they'll burn a bit more, ranging from approximately 190 to 225 calories. The more you weigh, the more energy your body expends to move. But here's the key takeaway: focus on your own progress, not someone else's numbers. Comparing yourself to others can be discouraging and ultimately counterproductive. Consistency is what truly matters, making exercise a regular part of your life. Aim to walk 5 times a week, or even more if you can, and you'll be burning hundreds of extra calories, contributing significantly to your overall fitness goals. Each walk, no matter how small it may seem, chips away at your goal, bringing you closer to where you want to be. Over time, this consistent effort leads to creating a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight management. Remember, weight loss happens when you consistently burn more calories than you consume. It's a simple equation, but it requires dedication and perseverance. Walking is an effective, accessible way to do this, regardless of your fitness level. Combine these regular walks with healthy eating habits, focusing on nutritious foods and balanced meals, and you have a proven formula for weight loss and improved overall health. Don't get caught up in daily numbers on the scale. Fluctuations are normal and can be influenced by various factors. Instead, think about the bigger picture and the long-term benefits of your consistent efforts. Every session is a deposit in your health bank, contributing to a healthier and happier you. Walking is a reliable, sustainable way to burn calories and improve your cardiovascular health. It's a massive part of any successful weight loss plan, providing a foundation for a healthier lifestyle. So keep showing up, stay consistent, and trust the process. The results will follow. Here's a bonus that many people overlook. Your metabolism keeps burning calories even when you think you're done. It's like your body has an engine that stays revved up for a while longer. Even after you step off the treadmill, the workout might be over, but your body's activity isn't. This is called the afterburn effect, a phenomenon that keeps your system humming, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, often shortened to EPOC. It's a scientific term for a very real benefit. After a brisk walk, your body works to recover. It's not just about cooling down. Replenishing energy, restoring what you've used during your activity, repairing muscle, especially if you've pushed yourself a bit harder than usual, and normalizing your heart rate, bringing it back down to its resting state. All of this burns extra calories, contributing to your overall weight management efforts. While the afterburn from walking isn't huge, it's a consistent little bonus. It adds up over time, creating a noticeable difference in your calorie expenditure. The real metabolic boost comes from not just the afterburn, but from making walking a regular habit, turning it into a consistent part of your lifestyle. Regular walks help you in more ways than one. Build and maintain lean muscle, which is key to a healthy metabolism. More muscle means you burn more calories at rest, even when you're not actively exercising. All day long, contributing to a higher overall calorie burn. Each walk is a small investment, a contribution to your long-term health. In a more efficient, calorie-burning body, optimizing your metabolism for the long haul. Over weeks and months, as you consistently walk, your resting metabolic rate can increase, making it easier to manage your weight. This makes weight loss easier, a welcome benefit for anyone trying to shed pounds, and helps you keep it off, which is often the biggest challenge in weight management. Walking isn't just about burning calories now, it's about so much more than that. It's about upgrading your body's engine, improving its overall efficiency. That's a benefit you can't see, at least not immediately, but you'll definitely feel as your energy levels increase and your body feels stronger. What's happening inside your body during a treadmill walk? Your brain signals your muscles, quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, to get moving. Your heart pumps faster, delivering oxygen-rich blood to your muscles and brain. Your breathing deepens, fueling your body with more oxygen. At first, you burn quick energy from carbohydrates. As you keep walking, your body shifts to burning stored fat for fuel. This is the fat-burning zone everyone talks about. The longer you walk at a moderate pace, the more your body relies on fat. You're literally training your body to use its own fat stores for energy. This is why steady 30-minute walks are so effective for fat loss. It's a full system workout. Heart, lungs, muscles, and metabolism all benefit. You're building a body that's better at burning fat every single day. That's the real magic of a treadmill walk. How does a treadmill walk compare to other exercises for weight loss? Running burns more calories per minute, but it's high impact and harder to sustain. Walking is low risk, accessible, and easy to stick with. Consistency wins every time. Weightlifting builds muscle, boosting your metabolism, but calorie burn during a session is similar to brisk walking. The best plan? Combine regular walking for daily calorie burn with a few strength sessions each week. The most effective exercise is the one you'll actually do. Walking is enjoyable, low pressure, and fits into almost any lifestyle. You can listen to music, watch a show, or chat with a friend. Building a daily walking habit is more powerful for long-term weight loss than sporadic, intense workouts. Walking is the reliable workhorse of fitness. One walk is good, but a daily habit is life-changing. Regular walking creates a steady calorie deficit for gradual, sustainable weight loss. Slow, steady progress, 1 to 2 pounds per week, is healthiest and most likely to last. Over time, your heart gets stronger, your lungs more efficient, and your muscles more resilient. Everyday activities become easier as your fitness improves. The long-term health benefits are huge: lower risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and even some cancers. Walking also boosts your mood and helps manage stress and anxiety. It's preventative medicine you can give yourself every day. 30 minutes a day is an investment in a healthier, more active future. You're building strength and resilience for years to come. Small, steady steps lead to the biggest transformations. Want to get more from your 30-minute walk? Try these tweaks. Gradually increase your speed. Push yourself a little more each week. Use the incline button. Even a small incline boosts calorie burn and works new muscles. Add intervals, alternate between moderate and brisk paces to keep your body guessing. Mix in a few minutes of incline or faster walking for extra challenge. Let go of the handrails and pump your arms to engage your upper body and core. These small changes turn your walk into a full body workout. You'll burn more calories and keep your routine fresh. Challenge yourself, but keep it enjoyable. The more you mix it up, the more progress you'll see. Walking isn't just about weight loss. The benefits go way beyond the scale. It's a weight-bearing exercise, building stronger bones and protecting against osteoporosis. Walking boosts your mood by releasing endorphins and lowering stress hormones. It's a powerful tool for managing anxiety and depression. Regular walks improve your sleep, helping you fall asleep faster and rest more deeply. You'll feel more accomplished and confident with every session. Walking builds discipline and a positive relationship with your body. You start to see yourself as strong and capable. That mindset shift is one of the greatest benefits of all. So what does 30 minutes on the treadmill really do? It burns calories, helps create a calorie deficit, and supports sustainable weight loss. But it's so much more. You're training your body to burn fat and boosting your metabolism for the long term. You're strengthening your heart, lungs, and bones, and reducing your risk of chronic disease. Walking lifts your mood, lowers stress, and improves your sleep. The impact of this daily habit touches every part of your well-being. The real magic is in showing up day after day. The treadmill walk is accessible, sustainable, and incredibly effective. Press start, be proud of every step, and know you're doing something brilliant for your future. Well done.